Hello, writers, and welcome to week 2. Since we're in week 2, that means we are going to start writing the script, which means you already purchased that final draft. If you didn't, you should have done so already because that, again, is the software that writers use. So you need final draft. Some of the things we're going to be going over this week are the scene sculpting tips. Checklist when writing, things to look over. Make sure you have this, make sure you have that, make sure you have this. Too much exposition. When do you have too much exposition? We know the exposition is the backstory. We don't want all dialogue. You don't reveal everything just through talking. Tell us the medium for TV and films is to show, don't tell. So it's not all about dialogue. Find ways to reveal that information using action. Talking about your scene heading, your slug line, scene heading. It means the same thing. Knowing when characters move from one location to another location, each time the scene heading is going to change, and how the scene heading is arranged. It's arranged from the largest location to the smaller location. So, for example, I'll say, for example, Blackish, the Johnson's home. It'd be interior, Johnson's home. From there, hyphen, kitchen. If someone is in the kitchen, when they leave outside, it'd be exterior shot then. So make sure you have those scene headings correctly. You're going to go over common formatting mistakes when you format. When characters are introduced for the first time, it should all be in caps. When they're seen for the first time, if they're just mentioning a dialogue, then they aren't caps. When do you use a voiceover? When do you use off stage? What's the difference between a VO and an OS? So all that you're gonna reveal that and learn about that. And your homework for this week is to write the code opening. So again, you're starting to work on the script this week, the code open only. If you need to look at other scripts again, since it's your pilot, your vision, know what type of comedy you're writing. Even though it's comedy, remember there's 19 different types of comedies. Is it a buddy comedy? If it's a buddy comedy, maybe you should be looking at the Shrill scripts, Brooklyn 911 scripts, Office scripts. If you are writing a buddy show, maybe you should be looking at a Pen 15. So again, based upon your show, you should use that same type of format, which is already given. So know the different formats for your comedy, and match it up using that format. Other than that, have a great week, and I look forward to reading those outlines. Not outlines, but code openings. Sorry.